Good morning. It's Monday. It's summer, and for the first time in a while, there's sun, which is nice. I decided to sleep on the couch. That's what I do when my girlfriend isn't at home. I sleep on the couch because I love sleeping on couches. Gives me comfort. I need coffee. Cut my beard today. I love coffee. It's Monday. I kinda enjoy Mondays. So we're gonna check here. Today I'm waiting all day more or less for a package, or two packages from the UK, which is not special made but very specific type of screw that will work with the pallet boxes that I'm making. I'm waiting for that. I have no idea when they come. They just say today is the day, and I need to be at home and sign off on the package. So doing that today, but also trying to produce and work in the studio today, but rather with the company instead of an artist today. This week I've made a decision to try to make a vlog for you guys every single day and see how that works. If I can do it, I don't know. I have a lot of other stuff, but I want to be able to say that I tried to do it at least. So for the entire week, that is 7 videos. But I might go into the mountains also this week, so if that happens, we'll see. Oslo, yeah, city, Oslo. What does it say? Today it says some clouds and then partly clouds, 0 wind. Fair enough. Temperature. At 6 it might rain. So it's been the worst summer ever so far. Like honestly, 2 or 3 days with sun, almost 3 weeks of rain. And summer vacation is 5 weeks more or less if you're working in kindergarten as I do. Do not appreciate. But either way, coffee and then snap to the studio. Let's see if this works. I want to do a cool transition because I've seen a lot of people doing cool transitions in their videos. So I'm gonna go and do this side. Studio is looking crap. Enough of that. Today I need to clean up this. Yeah, the aftermath of production is sorta here, but I need to continue production today as well. So I need to make this a little bit more nice and tidy, so I have some space to work in here, and then I have to work in here. So we'll do that as well. So we have the full list. Received package 1 and 2. Too much coffee in my beard. Oh, cut beard. And mustache. Away package, collect declaration, side base rusplyfa, makes sense, glue, postal office, clean brushes, make another list for this week. 50 minutes Instagram plus post at plus post on painting landscape. Charge batteries, I'll do that before bed. Grocery shopping and go to the hardware store. Need to finish script for the... Also I need to... That's a long list, that's good. Let's get to it. Package time! Thank you, Joel. Cool. Yeah. Perfect. I think perfect. Yeah. This might work. I never in my life thought I'd be this excited about screws. I don't even know what it is. But I am excited. Let's go. To the post office. Difficult to get this to Sweden for some stupid reason. Extreme karma. That's gonna be awful. Ooh! Look at that! Hey, hey! Look at this! Okay, I need to add something to the list. Hot date with Super Johan. Look at that. Johan G. Larsson. Shields 4. Look at that. Well, it's not, it's actually this way. Johan is webpage. It's right there. Johan is one of my best friends and also one of the most incredible abstract painters in the world. Without a doubt. This it's so nice. I got this card. Woo, going on the wall for sure. This looks like a type of wood or something, but this is actually these type of pencils emptied onto a piece of styrofoam board. It's so cool. I mean, this is just a print, but the originals are the coolest thing ever. They have so much texture and they're huge too, which is just fantastic. I think this is just a close-up. This is really cool. Ink on paper. Yeah, so this is a detail of Shields 4. So go to Johan G. Larsson 2ss.com to see some of his things, because it's tip-top quality. And today we have a date, a hot date with some chili sauce. Oh, this is stupid. This one goes on the wall of fame for sure. Just like that. Ding! Jag kör lite mer karma. På onsdag så har jag bjudit över grabbarna på Hot Wings middag. Så Mogge, Emil, Stor-Emil, Erik och Darford. Ja. Åh! Åh gud! Ja. Nu kommer det bara mer och mer. Ja, nu känns det. Badass! Åh gud. Fuck me. So let's clean some brushes. I thought at one point that it would be such a good idea to make a video about how to clean your brushes, and then I realized you never have to make a video about how to clean brushes because it's boring enough to clean it that probably no one in the world would watch a video about how to clean brushes, and it isn't that tricky. It's just detergent and cold water. Finished with the brushes, and yeah, it's getting late now. It's getting dark, so I'm contemplating if maybe I should go out and paint. Nocturne doesn't fully get that dark still because it's the summer and we're in the north of the world. We're in Scandinavia, in Norway. So I don't know if I should do it, and I'm like, oh, it's so tiring, and I did so many things today, and what if? I really don't want to. I feel like being lazy so much today. Like today maybe is the day where I get to be lazy. And if I'm observing what I'm saying right now, it means I'm gonna eat ice cream and fall asleep on the sofa. And that would kind of suck, but I'm also thinking like maybe I go up early in the morning tomorrow and I go for 2 hours anywhere just to paint, just to paint, and then I do all the other shit I need to do tomorrow because all the brushes are cleaned. If I pack everything today now, eat breakfast early tomorrow, I wake up at 6, then I'm allowed to pass out. Yeah, I'm allowed to not do it. Cool. We'll see how that works out.